Kenny's Yacht Maintenance. Welcome back. Check out this beautiful finish, mirror finish. The door is completed. So getting this done took a lot of work, and the first thing we had to do was to strip off all that old finish. You would see the before pictures and the after picture with a heat gun. We use a heat gun, strip all that stuff off. After a heat gun, we get all the varnish off. We use paint stripper, apply paint stripper everywhere, and we use a bronze wool and we bronze all that old finish from the grain of the wood. After that, we sanded this thing with 80 grit sandpaper, then 120 grit sandpaper, and a lot of detailed stuff that we had to do was all those little open seams. We had to take care of that by using West System mixed with some thickener, and that really bonds to the wood, and we seal all those open seams. Then we get everything ready and we apply the sealer to seal the grain. Now there's many different types of sealer that we could have used. You know, there's oil-based sealer, epiphanes, interlocks. They all make different wood sealer, but I chose to use West System mixed with 60% lacquer thinner as my sealer. One of the reasons for doing that, this door had a lot of rot, and the West System really holds things together, you know, including all those seams. So West System mixed the resin plus the hardener mixed with 60% lacquer thinner. It's really runny, it penetrates the wood and seals everything. So we did 2 coats of sealer on this door. We left that for the weekend, let it take some sun, let all that stuff evaporate, and the Monday, 3 days later, we sanded this with 220 grit sandpaper, and we started to build up with the Total Boat Lost varnish. There's other varnish out there, there's Epiphane, there's Captains, but I love the Total Boat. So we build up with 4 coats of Total Boat varnish, sanding in between every coat. So we'll give a coat today, sand the next day, apply another coat. So we did 4 build up coats with the Total Boat Lost varnish, and after the Total Boat Lost varnish, we let that sit for a weekend, so it get like 2-3 days of sun, and we continued with the Bristol finish. So the Bristol finish is a 2-part product. You got the base and you got the hardener for it, and it's a similar product to All Grape or All Bright, but I love this product. It's really durable, it really lasts, and for a door like this that stays out at least 7 to 8 hours in the sun every day, this stuff works. This stuff is durable. I stand by this stuff. I've been using it for over 20 years. So we gave 2 coats of the Bristol finish, and this is the finish of the door. Beautiful door. Check it out. You could go turn around. Back. Just check out the gloss in here. You could see it's a mirror finish. It's a mirror finish, you know. Just give it back and come back. It's so good now. So at Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, that's what we do. Professional yacht finishing. This is yacht quality. It takes a lot of work, but using the right tools and the right material, we get it done right, and this door doesn't have to be stripped again. I would say every 2 years you could throw on a maintenance coat, 2 maintenance coat, and it's good. So at Kenny's Yacht Maintenance, we will continue to promote working smarter, not harder.